Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on HONOR X8a. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, another one is on the top of the screen right here. And that's all of the speakers. Now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of those speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And sadly, as you can hear, there's sound coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.